Today I'll be showing you one of my favourite new Citizen releases, the AW1715-86X Seaplane. This may be an underrated 2023 release, but this is a great mid-priced watch. The Seaplane line blends a classic diving watch feel with a pilot's watch aesthetic, and that's key because this watch is very much about its looks. It has just 100 meter water resistance and its aviation features are more for fun than anything. But on the 86X, there's a lot of small details to fall in love with. One of my favourite characteristics is the bezel, which is designed with a green and black colourway. I love the semicircle effect, and thematically this insert works well with the rest of the design. The dial is painted with an attitude indicator, and these are used on aircraft to display the position of the plane and the horizon. Without a gyroscope, it's not much use, but in a light blue, this artificial horizon adds a lot of visual intrigue. It's paired with a matte pine green dial, which is almost a clash, but it's not, and that's what makes this great. Citizen has added an orange second-hand arrow at the 12 o'clock marker, which gives off a GMT feel and matches the pilot's watch aesthetic. Despite the funny colourway, I think the white indices and hands temper this palette really nicely. One of the signatures of the Seaplane line is the crown, which cuts into the top right lug. Its texture is pleasing to the eye and also makes for easy time changing. Now this Eco-Drive watch has some bulk. It's 43mm in diameter, which isn't too big for a dive watch, but the thickness of the case can really be felt on the wrist. Personally, I do like the chunkiness of this watch, and it's not really a flimsy feel either. Much of that thickness is due to the J810 calibre, which is another Eco-Drive solar-powered quartz. Pretty solid, and the 8-month power reserve is on par with similar Citizen movements. The movement also includes a date window, which is a helpful touch for everyday use. I'm digging this new Citizen Seaplane, and I'd recommend it to anyone after a new Eco-Drive watch for their collection. If you're curious, the 86X is retailing for $4.99 on watchdepot.com.au. Thanks for watching.